white pass cars. Jesus.
He's on fire, right? Yeah!
Is he on fire?
He's going
Oh no, it's okay.
Daddy, stop it!
Hey.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. Go, go, go!
Jesus. Two. So, on this episode of Large Person Wanderings, we're here at the Colorado Railroad Museum. We get to go see our favorite of all time favorites, Thomas the Tank Engine. So, babe, what do you think?
And that leads to a glass viewing area, and you will be able to see our other projects that we have going on inside right now. We'll also be able to see our machine tools and equipment that we use.
I don't see your petting zoo.
It is around here somewhere, Dave. It has to be.
Our oldest locomotive is 346. It's sitting outside the roundhouse in a great position
Right,
for you to
kind of
take
diagonal
pictures.
back from the roundhouse.
That locomotive was built in 1880.
Yeah, so here we are cruising along on the Thomas train. You can see the conductor going up and down, making his rounds. And yes, we're actually riding on the Thomas the Tank Engine train. Well, in this episode of Large Person Wanderings, Tommy and I went down to the Colorado Railroad Museum while I've been recovering from my leg injury. We decided to go check out Thomas the Tank Engine, which was a all-time new first experience for me, and it was not so bad. I had a lot of little kids, as to be expected, but we actually enjoyed ourselves. And if you have a young family, it's a perfect opportunity, a good outing, and I highly recommend it to everybody. And as always, thank you for joining us on our mini journeys. If you'd like us to go check out something else, please leave some comments below. Now, as always, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Enjoy the rest of your day. Jerome signing out.